What is up, guys? Ryan here. We just stopped by a sushi restaurant. We're gonna get something to eat, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Alright, what's going on, guys? I know we haven't made a video in a while, but Ryan's done with football season, and Canyon's just coming with us. We're taking a road trip right now to Boise. And,
hell yeah!
Yeah. We'll pick it up when we get there.
Go, please. Alright guys, so we finally made it to Boise. It didn't take very long, but we did it. We're going to the mall right now. It's over there. So well, look at damn. Yo, crazy. Alright, let's go. In here. In here. She's got some quick cops, Paxson, Vans. You already know what's going on.
Couldn't cash in my check, so I'm just hanging out.
We in Boise, Idaho.
Nice chair.
Very nice pussy. I like it.
Very nice.
There's the Capitol building right there.
Borat, not from
Sorry, I should stop talking like Borat. But I'm gonna send the drone up in the air once we get to this place. I'll show you guys. Hopefully, if you're a true fan, you remember the parking garage that we went to.
My name is Borat.
Yes. I like sex. I do.
Hello, man.
My name is Borat. I like sex.
Well, let me get this guy on the bike. No, I'll get this guy walking. Hello, mister. I love America. Would you like to do sexuals?
My name is Borat. I like the sex. It's back there where we got on it.
He's gonna puke. He's gonna puke. He's gonna puke. You alright? Oh shit.
Shit, Grandma.
Can you... Damn it, Dylan. So guys, we're walking downtown right now. And we're gonna go to the... Shit. We're gonna go to the parking garage. If y'all remember from last time, so let's get it.
Take a camera out and capture this moment. You've been living through pictures and drugs that are caught with the Hollywood image.
Wait a second, guys. We got some wings. Hey, we gotta take a picture of those wings.
I don't want to. I don't have to.
Yeah!
You don't have hands?
Getting ready. Smell like weed last line too.
Well, I mean, situations.
What, is it number 6?
Yes.
Oh, it is. Are you gonna put this on your story?
Yes, we did.
Yeah, we did.
Alright. We're doing it again. We're going to the roof. Just check it. Check it out for a second. What's up?
Guys, we're literally going to the top of the parking garage right now.
There's the first one.
No,
That looks weird. Do it again, do it again. That looks real. Just get, oh, it's right here. It's good. Okay.
Yeah, I climbed all the way up there.
The brightness is gay.
Spider boy.
Just get it. Watch it come out of the whole freaking thing just goes to the bottom. We just had like a really quick photo session, but my hands are freezing right now. So yeah guys, we're gonna go to Table Rock tonight. I'm gonna fly the drone. I was gonna fly it up here, but I never, well, I forgot the drone. But yeah. Wait, play the footage of me and Dylan here last time and see if we changed. Yo, this is so sick, guys. We're actually on the top of this parking garage. Check this out. Windy. Ooh.
Stepped in, I thought there wasn't any elevator there.
That was funny if you would die. I'm just kidding.
You guys love each other, right? Check's gonna break. Okay. Sesame. Yeah. He's rubbing his back to him. He needs a break. Whoa. So we're gonna eat some sushi right now. Looks really good.
Blue steel. And then this one. Go. Chopsticks. Enjoy,
Thank
guys.
you, man.
Let's go. Right, that's a California. Wait, yeah,
What's this one?
You gotta take a picture.
My face, but I won't stop. Can't stop, girl, you know it don't stop. Fuck me when the beat drop. Baby, fuck me till my heart stop. Yeah. Fuck me when the beat drop.
My shoe back.
Friend dies.
You missed.
Alright, Canyon. It's time to go.
I'm cold.
I know you are. It's freaking cold. It's too fucking. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I haven't posted a video like a little while. So anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe if you're new. Peace.